Welcome to the Zoe English Podcast. Let's improve your English together.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Zoe English Podcast. I'm Zoe.
And I'm Oscar. Hello, hello. Great to be here with you today.
This is a very special episode because today we are starting something brand new.
Ooh, something new? Tell them, Zoe.
We are starting a series called One Topic a Day. Every day we take one simple, real-life topic and we teach you how to talk about it in English.
And today, for day one, our topic is daily routine.
Yes, what we do every single day, from the moment we open our eyes to the moment we close them again.
I have a feeling this episode is going to be very relatable because everyone has a routine.
Everyone, even people who say, I don't have a routine, actually have one. They just don't notice it.
That's true. My routine is wake up late, panic, and run.
See, that's a routine. A stressful one, but a routine.
Before we start, though, let's do our small favor. If you're new here, please subscribe to Zoe English Podcast.
And if you're already following us, thank you so much. Please give this episode a like. It really helps more English learners find our channel.
Okay, Zoe, let's start at the very beginning. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 in the morning.
6? That's so early.
I know, but I like it. The house is quiet, nobody is calling me, nobody needs anything from me. It's just me and my thoughts.
I wake up at 8, and even then, I need 3 alarms.
3 alarms? Why 3?
Because I turn off the first one without even remembering it. My hand just moves automatically.
So your hand is smarter than your brain in the morning.
Exactly. My hand knows exactly where the phone is, even with my eyes closed.
Okay, so let's teach this. When your alarm rings and you open your eyes, we say, I wake up. But when you actually leave the bed, we say, I get up.
Ah, so waking up and getting up are two different things?
Yes, exactly. You can wake up at 6, but get up at 6:30. There's a difference between opening your eyes and actually standing up.
That's a very important 30 minutes for me. I call it my thinking time.
Your thinking time? What do you think about?
Mostly, why did I stay up so late again?
A very common thought for many people, I think.
Okay, so after I get up, what's next for you?
I go straight to the bathroom. I wash my face and I brush my teeth.
Same for me. Wash my face, brush my teeth. These are the basics everyone does.
Yes, and we don't usually think about these actions much, but they're important phrases to know in English. Wash your face, brush your teeth, take a shower.
Do you take a shower in the morning or at night?
In the morning. I feel like a shower wakes up my whole body, not just my brain.
I take mine at night. For me, a morning shower feels like too much work.
Too much work? It's just standing under water.
Yes, but standing underwater at 7 in the morning feels like a big decision.
Okay, fair enough. After your shower, or in your case, after your night shower and your morning face wash, what do you do?
I get dressed. This is where my day gets difficult.
Why difficult?
Because I open my closet and I look at my clothes and somehow nothing feels right.
But you have so many clothes.
I know, but in the morning, my brain says none of this is good enough.
How long does this take you?
Maybe 10 minutes, sometimes more if I'm feeling extra unsure.
I have a solution for this, actually. I choose my clothes the evening before I sleep.
The evening before?
Yes, before I go to bed, I look at tomorrow, I think about what I'm doing, and I choose my outfit right then. In the morning, I don't think, I just put it on.
That's actually really smart. No decisions in the morning.
Exactly. Your brain is still half asleep in the morning, so why give it a hard decision?
I think I need to start doing this too. Getting dressed at 7, feeling confused? That's not a great way to start the day.
Try it tonight. Choose your clothes before you sleep and tell me tomorrow if it helped.
Deal. Okay, so now we're dressed. Breakfast time?
Breakfast time. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Honestly, not every day. Some days I just don't have time.
What do you eat when you do have time?
Usually eggs and toast, something quick.
I eat oatmeal with some fruit. It's simple, but it keeps me full until lunch.
Oatmeal every single day? Doesn't that get boring?
A little, but I like knowing what to expect. It's one less decision for my morning brain.
You really don't like making decisions in the morning, do you?
No, I really don't. My mornings are all about routine, not choices.
That makes sense, actually. So after breakfast, how do you get to work?
I ride my bike. It takes about 15 minutes.
You bike to work every day?
Yes, unless it's raining very hard. It wakes me up and I don't need to sit in traffic.
I take the train, and it's usually full of people, all looking at their phones, nobody talking.
In English, when we talk about going from home to work every day, we say, I commute. So you could say, I commute by train, and I could say, I commute by bike.
Oh, I like that word, commute. It sounds more professional than I take the train.
It is. Commute is the word native speakers use naturally for this daily trip to work.
Okay, so you arrive at work. What's the first thing you do?
I make a coffee and then I check my messages and my emails.
I do the exact same thing, but usually my coffee is the third one of the day already.
Third one? How many coffees do you actually drink, Oscar?
Please don't judge me. Sometimes 4. It depends on how tired I am.
4 coffees is a lot.
I know, but without coffee, I honestly cannot function.
Okay, well, after checking emails, what's your first task usually?
I look at my to-do list and I plan what I need to finish today.
That's a great habit, actually. Starting the day by planning your tasks.
It helps me feel less stressed, even if the list is long.
So we've talked about the morning. Now let's move to the middle of the day. What time do you usually have lunch?
Around 1 o'clock, I usually eat with my coworkers.
Do you bring food from home or do you buy it?
I buy it almost every day. There's a small place near my office that makes really good sandwiches.
I bring my lunch from home. I prepare it the night before, just like my clothes.
You really do everything the night before, don't you?
Yes, I do. It saves so much time and stress in the morning.
I admire that. I'm too tired at night to prepare anything for the next day.
It's a small habit, but it makes a big difference. Anyway, after lunch, how do you feel in the afternoon?
Around 3 o'clock, I get really tired. My eyes feel heavy and I just want to close them for 5 minutes.
That's a very common feeling. Many people experience an energy drop in the afternoon.
Does it happen to you too?
Yes, but instead of more coffee, I usually take a short walk outside. Even 5 minutes helps me feel more awake.
A walk instead of coffee? That sounds healthier than my solution.
My solution is definitely more sustainable than a 5th coffee.
You're probably right. Okay, so we finish work, usually around 6 for me. What happens next in your day?
I bike home, and the very first thing I do is change into comfortable clothes.
Oh, yes, that moment. Taking off work clothes and putting on something soft.
It's honestly one of my favorite moments of the day.
Mine too. I take off my shoes, I change my clothes, and I finally feel like myself again.
After that, what do you usually do?
I sit down and I do nothing for about 10 minutes. I just stare at the wall.
Just stare at the wall?
Yes, my brain needs a complete stop before I can do anything else.
I understand that completely. I usually write in a notebook for a few minutes. Just simple thoughts about my day.
You keep a journal.
A small one, yes. It helps me close the day mentally, so I don't keep thinking about work all evening.
That's a lovely habit. I should try something like that instead of just staring at the wall.
You can start small. Even 1 sentence a day helps.
Okay, and then dinner. Do you cook?
I try to. Some nights are better than others.
What was your worst cooking moment?
Oh, I once tried to make soup, and I completely forgot about it while I was on a phone call.
What happened?
When I remembered, all the water was gone and the vegetables were completely stuck to the pot.
Oh, no.
I had to throw everything away and order food instead.
I've done something similar. I put bread in the toaster, got distracted by a video, and the whole kitchen filled with smoke.
The classic burnt toast story.
Every single person has this story, I think.
Probably true. Okay, so on your good cooking days, what do you usually make?
Simple things, rice, chicken, some vegetables, nothing fancy.
I like cooking pasta with a lot of vegetables. It's quick and it feels healthy.
And after dinner, what's your evening like?
I usually read for about 30 minutes before bed.
What kind of books do you read?
Mostly stories, sometimes something about learning new skills.
I watch a show on my laptop, usually something funny so I can relax my brain completely.
Do you watch just one episode or does it become more?
It always becomes more. I tell myself one episode, and then suddenly it's midnight.
That's the danger of just one more episode.
The most dangerous sentence in the English language, honestly.
What time do you actually go to sleep then?
Usually around midnight, sometimes later.
And I go to bed around 10:30. I need my 8 hours, or the next day feels really difficult.
I'm definitely an evening person. My energy actually increases at night.
And I'm a morning person completely. We're opposite in this way.
But both are okay, right? It's just a different rhythm.
Exactly. The important thing is understanding your own rhythm and building a routine that actually works with it, not against it.
That's a really good point. I used to feel guilty for being a night person, like I was doing something wrong.
You're not doing anything wrong. You're just different from me, and that's completely normal.
I like that. Okay, before your phone, though, do you check social media before sleeping?
A little, but I try to stop about 20 minutes before bed.
I usually check it right until my eyes close, and then I wonder why I can't sleep well.
The light from the phone tells your brain it's still daytime, so your brain stays alert instead of relaxing.
I know this, but knowing it and actually doing something about it are two very different things.
Very true for a lot of habits, not just this one.
Okay, Zoe, I think we've walked through an entire day together, from your 6 a.m. wake up to my midnight extra episode.
We really did. Let's take a moment now and review the important vocabulary from today so you can use it in your own English conversations.
Great idea. Let's start from the beginning.
First, wake up. This means your eyes open and you become conscious. For example, I wake up at 6 every morning.
And get up is different. It means you actually leave the bed. I wake up at 6, but I get up at 6:30.
Exactly. Next, get dressed. This means putting on your clothes. I get dressed after my shower.
We also talked about commute. This means traveling from home to work every day. I commute by train, or I commute by bike.
Then we have check my emails, which simply means looking through your messages. Very common at the start of the workday.
We also learned to-do list, a list of tasks you need to finish. I plan my to-do list every morning.
And an important one, energy drop, or feeling tired in the afternoon. I get an energy drop around 3 o'clock.
We also said wind down, which means slowly relaxing before you finish your day or go to sleep. I wind down by reading a book.
One more useful phrase, stay up late, which means going to bed later than usual. I always stay up late watching shows.
And finally, go to bed, simply meaning the moment you get into bed to sleep, different from falling asleep, which happens after.
Perfect summary, Oscar. Let's do a very quick mini quiz for our listeners.
Ooh, I like quizzes. Go ahead.
If I open my eyes, but I'm still lying in bed, what am I doing?
You're waking up, but you haven't gotten up yet.
Perfect. And if I travel every day from my house to my office, what's the word for that?
That's your commute.
Excellent. And if I feel really tired around 3 in the afternoon, what can I call that feeling?
An energy drop.
You got all 3 right. See, this vocabulary is not difficult when you connect it to your real, everyday life.
That's exactly why we love this topic. Everyone can relate, no matter where you live or what job you have.
So, for today's question, we want to hear from you.
Yes, are you a morning person, like Zoe, or an evening person, like me?
And tell us one thing from your own daily routine. It can be something simple, like when you wake up, or something funny, like Oscar's toaster story.
Please don't judge me for the toaster story.
No judgment here, Oscar. Write your answer in the comments below. Start with, I'm a morning person or I'm an evening person, and then tell us one detail from your day.
We really do read every comment, and we love learning about your routines from all around the world.
This is also great writing practice for you. You're using the vocabulary from today, but in your own real life.
Exactly. Practice today, and you'll remember these words much longer.
All right, that brings us to the end of day 1 of our One Topic a Day series.
It went by so fast. I can't believe we already covered an entire day, morning to night.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our podcast grow.
And if you haven't already, subscribe to Zoe English Podcast so you don't miss day 2.
We'll be back tomorrow with a brand new topic and a whole new set of useful English phrases for you.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you very soon.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.